We'll guide you through how to calculate a percentage from a total in Excel. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. First of all, choose where you want the percentage to be. I want it to be next to the amount, and we've got the total at the bottom. So go and click on equals to go and start writing the formula, and you want to go and type in B2 for me, as that is the cell with the number in, and then go and put a slash to divide. And what you then need to do is go and enter in the cell where the total is. What you need to do though is write it in this certain way. So type in $, then go and put in the column that it's in, so it's in B, and then put the row, but then put another $sign and then 14 for me, as you can see. Then press enter and you'll get this small number. You need to go to the top and go and select the format and go and change it to percentage. And then in the bottom right, you'll see that little square, click, hold and drag down, then release. And as you can see, it'll then go and fill in the percentages for all the others. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.